Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations for the day of Friday. Friday is the day of the idealist personality, the idealist vibration. So it's a positive vibration. Positive vibration. It's positive, positive, positive. It involves the senses, it involves beauty. Today is a beautiful day to enjoy the senses, but not just for the sake of enjoying them, but for allowing the outer senses to draw the awareness within. That's what it does for someone who has this in their spiritual area, and they are a spiritual idealist or a Raja yogi, it would be called in the East. The senses are all tools. And so the Raja yogi is attracted to the beauty of all of the senses. Scents in the air, the scent of rose, which I'm burning right now. Beautiful colors, beautiful sounds, beautiful instruments, beautiful food, beautiful people, beautiful everything, nature, everything. And the Raja Yogi can take that outer beauty and those outer senses and have them draw their awareness within for meditation and for finding that peace and quiet and deep, long-lasting fulfillment, which we're all looking for. Everybody has a different way of doing that. So I'm going to play the vibrations of the day, and I'm going to read from someone who was a spiritual idealist or a Raja yogi. The great writer and poet, Jack Kerouac. Too many things and get all confused and hung up, running from one falling star to another until I drop. All the senses, right? Raja yogis do like a lot of things because of the connection with the five senses. That's interesting, right? I just thought of this. Beethoven was a Raja yogi. And wasn't that one of his themes? Da, 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 da. Well, that's the interval of a minor sixth. Interesting. I also have some tinnitus, right, ringing in the ears, and my ears ring to the pitch of A, which is the key for the idealist and for Fridays. Interesting. He saw that all the struggles of life were incessant, laborious, painful, that nothing was done quickly without labor, that it had to undergo 1,000 fondlings, revisings, moldings, addings, removing, graftings, tearings, correctings, smoothings, rebuildings, reconsidering, nailings, tackings, chippings, hammerings, hoistings, connecting. All the poor, fumbling, uncertain incompletions of human endeavor. They went on forever and were forever incomplete, far from perfect, refined, or smooth, full of terrible memories of failure and fears of failure, yet, in the way of things, somehow noble, complete, and shining in the end. There's that positive attitude, right, of the idealist. My manners, abominable at times, can be sweet. As I grew older, I became a drunk. Why? Because I like ecstasy of the mind. I'm a wretch, but I love. Boy, the yogis, the Raja yogis, love. They are the spiritual romantics. And they love the ecstasy of the mind, too. Listen closely, the eternal hush of silence goes on and on throughout all of this, and has been going on and will go on and on. This is because the world is nothing but a dream, and there is just thought of, and the everlasting eternity pays no attention to it. This is because the world is nothing but a dream and is just thought of, and the everlasting eternity pays no attention to it. B, why are you staring at me? I am not a flower? One thing that we yearn for in our living days and makes us sigh and groan and undergo sweet nausea of all kinds is the remembrance of some lost bliss that was probably experienced in the womb and can only be reproduced, though we hate to admit it, in death. But who wants to die? Who wants to die? I'm right here swimming in the river of hardships, but I know how to swim. Be in love with your life, every minute of it. All of life is a foreign country. No man should go through life without once experiencing healthy, even bored solitude in the wilderness, finding himself depending solely on himself, and thereby learning his true and hidden strength. The beauty, right? The beauty of solitude, the beauty of nature, the beauty of the wilderness. Go out and beautify your life today.